Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. The topic or the project that we're going to talk about is not actually a project, but it's actually a whole new blockchain, a whole new network that is being developed, and they are progressing with a really good pace. It's called Venom, which is a layer 1 blockchain that operates out of the Abu Dhabi global market or ADGM. Now, they recently announced its public testnet, which is officially live. This happened really recently. Now, this is a very significant accomplishment in Venom's roadmap as it prepares to launch on mainnet. And along with the testnet launch, Venom has also unveiled a suite of products in the ecosystem, in the Venom ecosystem, that we're gonna, take a look at in this video. So make sure you keep on watching till the end. We're also going to learn how we can take part in the testnet and how we can benefit from it. So for all that, make sure that you keep on watching. And as always, anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. So first of all, we're going to have a proper introduction on what the Venom blockchain is and what makes it different from the other blockchains. So Venom is a blockchain network that aims to support Web3 applications in the DeFi and global payments markets. It uses proof of stake consensus mechanism, which we are aware of. This is what the Binance Smart Chains use. So we are very familiar with this consensus mechanism, and it also uses the Byzantine fault tolerant algorithm. I'm not sure what exactly this is, but this is something that it uses to ensure validators reach a consensus agreement. Now, the Venom testnet is a secure and a user-friendly environment where developers and users and enthusiasts they can interact with decentralized applications and NFTs and the DeFi protocols. Now, its primary goals is on serving emerging economies and has the potential to be used as a foundation for central bank digital currencies and Web3 applications. It offers scalable solutions for transactions through its sharding protocol and community-built subchains. Now, they have all the details in their documents and white paper about what sharding protocol actually is, how does it work, all of the core details is in there. I'm not going to touch on those topics in this video because it will get a lot, because it really will get complicated. Now, the core aim of Venom is to build a blockchain that can support ultra-fast transaction speeds and infinite scalability to meet the needs of an ever-expanding user base. So if you talk about the transaction speed, it can process more than 100,000 transactions per second, which is really insane. And it has an average transaction fee of less than $0.0002, and it has a zero emission policy. Now, this whole blockchain or the network, it is beneficial for two specific type of people. We have one that are developers, and on the other side we have the users, which include us. Now, the developers, they can build their decentralized applications in minutes on an asynchronous blockchain with a global use case application. The users, they can explore Web3 without constraints with the fast, user-friendly, low-cost blockchain, which will host a variety of exclusive decentralized applications, which we're going to talk about in this video. So make sure to keep on watching. And not only this, we have another, the users, they also have another benefit or an opportunity. Especially at this time, most of the testnet campaigns on this blockchain are rewarding users with airdrop and NFTs. Now, they're rewarding people to, who take part in the testnet. These airdrops, especially from, these bigger blockchains, they can be really profitable. So they're, I think they're worth looking into. Now, Venom also has launched a $1 billion investment fund, which could make it a significant opportunity. Now, we're going to talk about the ecosystem and different decentralized applications that we have in it. The first thing that we have is the Venom wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet that allows users to securely store, send, and receive Venom and other digital assets. We are aware of how the Web3 wallets work. It provides an intuitive user interface, and it enables users to manage their assets easily. It is designed to prioritize security with private keys that are kept locally on users' device. The next product or the application that we have is the Venom scanner. This is an explorer that allows users to track transactions and monitor the status of their transfers on the network. Now, it provides real-time data on block production, transaction confirmation times, and other key metrics. We can also access information about specific transactions, such as the status and the transaction ID. The next application that we have is their Venom Bridge. Now, this is a cross-chain platform which enables seamless asset transfer between blockchain networks, including NFTs and cross-chain smart contract calls. The next application that we have is called the Web3 World. This is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade digital assets without intermediaries. It offers a user-friendly interface and it supports a wide range of digital assets. The exchange is also designed to prioritize security, just as their wallet, with an emphasis on keeping user assets safe from hacks and other security breaches. The next application that we have is the Venom pools. They allow users to stake their Venom tokens and earn rewards for helping to secure the network. The validators are responsible for confirming transactions and maintaining the integrity of the network, and the stakers, they can earn a share of block rewards for supporting this process. These pools are designed to ensure network stability and also provide staking rewards to incentivize user participation. Now, the next application that we have is called Oasis Gallery. This is an NFT marketplace on the Venom blockchain that allows trading of NFTs. We know how that works. It also has user-friendly interface and it supports a range of different NFTs. So now that we have talked about the applications, decentralized application that we have for dApps, we're going to talk about what makes Venom network different from the other networks and how they operate. And after this, we're going to talk about how we can take part in the testnet and how we can earn through it. But first, let's talk about the difference. As I said before, this is a layer 1 network that is specially designed to support smart contract execution. Now, smart contracts, we know what they are. They are self-executing programs that run on the blockchain network, and they facilitate the exchange of assets or information without the need of intermediaries. Now, with the Venom toolchain and development guides, users can easily build smart contracts using the Solidity programming language, which is a contract-oriented programming language that is used to develop smart contracts on the Ethereum and other Ethereum-compatible blockchains. Now, Venom's support for Solidity, it basically makes it a lot easier for developers to migrate their existing Ethereum-based smart contracts to the Venom network. Now, the Venom's virtual machine is responsible for executing smart contracts on the network. This virtual machine is different from other virtual machines like Ethereum virtual machine because it is designed to be more efficient and faster than Ethereum virtual machine or EVM, which makes it possible to execute smart contracts with faster transaction speeds and at a lower cost. Now, moreover, Venom's smart contract architecture provides more flexibility and control over the execution of application logic. The smart contract code can be customized to meet specific requirements, and it can be audited to ensure that it is secure and free of vulnerabilities. Now, I think we have discussed enough about the blockchain, what makes it different, and their products. I think this is time that we move on and we talk about how we can get started, get ourselves registered, share the wallet, and how we can take part in the testnet. So the first thing that we need to do is set up our Venom testnet wallet. So to set up our wallet, these are the steps that we're going to follow. All these details will be on their Medium page. I think that I'm going to give you guys the link in the description so you can check that out as well. So first of all, we're going to visit the official website of Venom Testnet. Again, link will be in the description. Now, on this page, under the How It Works section, there's going to be a button that says Install Venom Wallet. We're going to click on it. We're going to follow the on-screen instructions to set up the wallet, including creating a secure password and writing down this unique seed phrase for backup purposes. Now, once our wallet is set up, which is really simple, we're going to move forward toward the next step, and that is of claiming our testnet tokens. Now, to do that, these are the steps that we're going to follow. Again, we're going to visit the website link, the Venom testnet website link. Again, it'll be in the description. We're going to locate, again, in the same section on how it works, we're going to click on Start Testnet button. We're going to get some instructions on how we can set up the wallet, including connecting, our Venom wallet. Then we're going to log in with our Twitter account, and we're going to follow Venom Foundation on Twitter. Now, when we connect Twitter for the first time, you will receive a pop-up that asks for authorization. You will need to authorize Venom to access your account to continue. Now, once all these tasks has been completed, you're going to click on Claim to get 50 testnet Venom tokens. If you get any problem through this process, if there's any issue, just refresh the page. And now that we have made our wallet and we do have tokens, we're going to start interacting with the dApps and NFTs. So first we have, once we have completed all these tasks, we have the wallet, we have logged in our Twitter account, we have followed Venom Foundation on Twitter. You will be given this, testnet ecosystem explorer, and here we'll have different tasks that we need to complete, to test out the apps. Now again, if the the testnet ecosystem page, it does not appear, you just refresh and it'll be good. If you scroll down on the task page under the Explore the Venom ecosystem, you will see a list of the apps you can interact with. To begin your first interaction with the testnet, you're going to click on Complete Task button under Venom. Now on this page, you'll see all the tasks you need to complete to mint the Venom Foundation Testnet NFT. Now what we need to do now is we need to follow Venom Network on Twitter. So to do this, here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the follow button. There will be a new window that will open to Twitter, where we'll receive a pop-up that will be asking us, that if you want to follow or not. You're going to click on follow. Now you're going to close the Twitter window and you're going to return on the Venom Foundation task list. You'll notice that the first task box has been checked. Now click on the new box that label check for the system to confirm that you are following Venom Network on Twitter. Now once that has been completed, you will get a confirmation saying that you have completed the task, and it will get grayed out with a check mark on the top left, which will indicate that you can move on to the next step. Now it says tweet about Venom testnet. So we're going to tweet about it. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on tweet button under the second task. Again, a new pop-up window will appear. The tweet will automatically get filled up and you'll continue by clicking on tweet. Now, once the tweet has gone through, you're going to return to the Venom Foundation task list and you're going to click on check to verify that you have tweeted. And after it is successfully confirmed that you have tweeted it, it will be marked checked, the same process that you went through the last time. And once these two tasks are done, we can move forward and we can mint our Venom Foundation testnet NFT. And here's what we need to do. So to mint our testnet NFT, we're going to click on the mint button on the Venom Foundation task list. A pop-up window will appear from our Venom wallet. It'll ask us to confirm the transaction. You're going to enter your password and you're going to click on confirm transaction in the bottom right to continue. Then once the transaction is confirmed, you will see the button change to minting and processing. You're going to be patient. You're just going to wait a little bit. It can take up to 20 seconds for the minting, process to start. And there we have it. You have successfully earned your first Venom NFT on the testnet. And now it's time that we, start exploring the Venom ecosystem. All the details are on the documents and on the page. I'm going to give you guys links that will be in the description, so make sure to check that out. I think this is a wonderful opportunity to get something, from the ground, to enter into something amazing in the ground. So make sure they do not miss this opportunity. Again, all the links will be in the description, so make sure that you get those from there. And if you have any question, of course, you can ask me in the comment section. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.